Hi, this is Missy. Today we're going to tackle a very important issue, constipation. A problem with who? A lot of people, even in Australia, there's 1 in 4 suffering in silence. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a little bit of tweaking or just some simple lifestyle change, you can get rid of this constipation problem once for all. Let's talk about the reason most people will have this problem. When you have the urge, you just keep putting it off and off and off. Over time, it becomes the problem. Or simple reason that you're not exercising enough, you're not drinking enough fluids, you're not eating enough high fiber food, or you're under constant stress, depression, and anxiety. That can be all the problems with you getting the constipation. Or you can have some medical reasons like diabetes or lactose intolerance. And if you're having iron tablets, you're taking certain medications, that can cause constipation too. So how do we solve it? There are quite easy ways other than increase your fiber intake, drink more fluids, do some more gentle exercise. It doesn't have to be extensive exercise. Just some gentle stretch like walking, swimming, cycling, jogging. That's all good to get your body moved. And the other thing that you can do quite easily at home is to eat high fiber food such as prune. The sugar alcohol in it will improve the bowel movement. The other one, it works all the time. Pawpaw or papaya, especially the ripened one. And if you don't like to eat the fruit itself, you can mix it, blend it with plant-based milk and drink it as a smoothie, and you will see the effects straight away. You can also have senna tea, right? Senna is the natural herbal laxative, but don't rely on it too much. And a word of caution, if you're pregnant or if you have diabetes, you shouldn't take that, okay? Now the other one will be bananas, chickpeas, onions, and kimchi and sauerkraut, fermented food, probiotic food, and prebiotic food. We have talked about this in the other videos. So if you like to refer to that, you will see a lot of information about what you can have for the prebiotic and probiotic that can improve your gut health. And other than senna tea, you can also have psyllium. That is also very helpful to get your stool moving. So what I've given you in this video are the tricks or the treatments that you can use quite easily at the comfort of your home. Constipation will no longer be a common issue in your life. So remember, drink more water, especially the sparkling water. So those tiny little bubbles in the water that you drink will help the stool moving along. Another tip for you, if you are a fan of eating Weet-Bix, the wheat germs, or lots of cereals in the morning, be sure to have the same or more amount of fluid to go with it. Because those high fiber cereal tend to soak up liquid in your intestines. So you do need to replenish more fluid to move it along. Alright, let me know if it's helpful or if you have any more questions about it. I'd be happy to